Welcome to Ruth and Remnant, a space dedicated to exploring ancient wisdom found in the Book of Ruth. If you've ever found yourself navigating a sudden life transition, starting over in unfamiliar territory, or just looking for quiet resilience in uncertain times, you are in the right place. We've all had those seasons where life takes an unexpected turn and we're left trying to figure out what comes next. You don't have to carry the uncertainty by yourself. That's why community matters so much. And having a space where you don't have to pretend everything is fine, a place where you can lean on others who understand the weight of a difficult season. Join us as we explore practical lessons for everyday life because navigating these transitions is always easier when we share the journey together. Discovering the story of Ruth offers a powerful blueprint for adaptability, resourcefulness, and resilience while navigating the uncertainty of life. Instead of waiting for a safety net, her journey proves that you can completely rebuild from scratch when everything falls apart. We'll walk through her story and draw out practical insights for relationships, hard choices, and learning to trust God in uncertain seasons. If you're longing to go deeper in scripture and learn from a woman of courage, this channel will guide you along the way. We'll leave it there for today. Remember, you are deeply valued, and just like Ruth, every step of faith quietly builds a foundation for what comes next. See you next time.